Hey, so if you want to integrate HubSpot with Gmail in 2026 and track emails, log conversations, and boost productivity, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you have access to email integrations. From the top right corner, click on the settings icon. In the left menu, scroll down to General, then select Email. Here, open the Email Integrations tab. Now choose Connect Personal Email and select Gmail. HubSpot will redirect you to Google. Sign in with the Gmail account you want to connect and allow the required permissions. This lets HubSpot track and log emails automatically. Once connected, install the HubSpot Sales Gmail extension from the Google Workspace Marketplace. This extension allows HubSpot to work directly inside your Gmail inbox. Yeah, this is where things get really convenient. After installation, open Gmail. You'll now see HubSpot tools on the right side. From here, you can log emails to the CRM, track opens and clicks, and attach emails to contacts or deals. You can also use email templates. Create templates in HubSpot and insert them directly into Gmail to save time and keep messaging consistent. Enable email tracking so you know when recipients open your emails or click links. This helps you follow up at the right moment instead of guessing. HubSpot will automatically log sent emails to contact records, giving you a complete communication history inside the CRM. Before finishing, send a test email to confirm tracking and logging are working properly. And that's it. By connecting Gmail, installing the extension, and enabling tracking, you can fully integrate HubSpot with Gmail and manage emails more efficiently. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.